It was such a fast time coming into this morning. Oh my gosh. Anyway, this is the first full day, C-Day. Already went to C-Day brunch. Totally forgot to take a picture, but it is what it is. It's like a little omelet. So, I mean, I'm sure everybody will be fine without seeing that. Went with my friends because they were like, the buffet line is super long. So I said, let's go to brunch. So anyway, made the appointment, got down there, served pretty fast. Anytime you see that the Lido is pretty packed, go do C-Day brunch. You can pretty much get the same foods and everything, and it's a great way to just kind of sit and relax. And we got a great view out the back of the ship, and it was just really nice. So anyway, I'm gonna go down and add some cash to my card, Sail and Sign card. I have it on a credit card, but I did have to purchase a couple things, and I have cash for that. So I'm gonna go put the money on there to offset that, and then I may go like wander around the fun shops a little bit. At 10:45 there is a cooking demonstration in Cucina del Capitano, and I think I'm gonna go check that out, and that's in about 45 minutes. Oh, anyway, all right, so I'm off for the day.
This is the best part. You get to get your fingers dirty, mush it up into a nice ball. It's the most fun part. What do you think is
As she said, it was the best or the most important ingredients. For a chef, I would say all the ingredients work together. Let me tell you, very straight. It's not a single ingredient that goes and gives that uplift of the taste or the character of that particular entree or the item. No. Every ingredient that the chef is putting is equal and it gives a better taste. And importantly important. Well, chef has just put a bread inside. I will just give you a little history about the bread. Like he has soaked the brioche bread in milk, and then he has added in that mixture. Now the whole concept of to understand over here is just for a binding consistency. Now while you are cooking your meatballs, there is a tendency to break it off. So when you add that soaked bread in that mixture, that will give you a binding consistency. Right? That's the whole concept of putting the bread in the mixer.
roll it up into a nice little ball? How long does it take to cook?
Just a few seconds, minutes, yeah.
Just a few minutes. You are all going to get a little free sample of this in 1 minute. Just let's see how long it takes to cook and what else we need to do.
Well, the pan is hot. The olive oil is already inside. The tomato sauce is ready. Well, the chef has used Roma tomatoes, red Roma tomatoes. Now, just to give you a little back end of it, when you guys buy your tomatoes 1 day in advance, keep it in a warm place back in your kitchen, yeah, in order to get you little soft and well ripe. Do not use the same tomatoes that you are going to buy from your shop, yeah, and use it on the same day, because that might not give you a little better quality. So when you keep it 1 day in your kitchen, open or in a drawer or in an open space, that will give you a nice, good taste to your tomato sauce when you guys are cooking.
All right, we are ready to pass out some samples. Let's get these out to everyone. And some silverware.
Well, this is how it's going to look like when we cook it, when you guys are going to dine in the cucina. Yeah?
Fanciest restaurant on the ship. Share those pictures online. Let us know how you like it.
As I have said it about the tomatoes, as you must have seen from yesterday, the tomatoes which the chef is using is already put it outside, and this was from yesterday. He's going to use it today for the sauce, and then today he's going to put another tomatoes which he's going to use it for tomorrow. Well, let's start again. Well, the chef has added the cream. Now the cream is a heavy cream, yeah, and then Parmesan cheese. Now the best part over here is, in order to thicken out the consistency of that pasta, in order to have that little thick consistency, coated consistency, the chef is going to add an egg yolk for it.
Just the yolk, not the whites?
Yeah, not just the yolk.
Just the yolk. This is a creamy dish. I tried it for the first time last cruise. So if you are lactose intolerant, stay away from this thing because it is heavy cream.
Don't worry about lactose. Even if you are
I mean, you're going to enjoy it for 30
we'll do
minutes.
something. I know.
That's worth it, right?
It is a little tricky. We know how to take care of. Lactose free, don't worry. We'll do it something for you. We have another option to do it.
They have lactose-free options.
That was a good thing that she said it, yeah, lactose free, but as chefs we know much about the latest things that are available in the market and we will take care of it.
And what I find works best is once you've made the mixtures, you want to put them into a piping bag and then put them in the fridge overnight. Because then that will allow them to sort of not set, but so it makes it a lot easier when piping. No questions? We're just enjoying the food?
Yes.
How is the tiramisu?
Good.
Good. As I said, as you can see, we plated it in a very simple form. But like I said, tiramisu can be presented in any way you want. You can do it in a champagne glass, a wine glass. It is an ideal, nice little finish to any dining experience. Sound good? Say yes?
Yeah.
Okay. Much of the fun as possible to make sure you're having a great time. And you're having a great time, yes?
Yes.
So please, I'm going to stand back here because none of this applauses me. Put your hands together for a fantastic achievement!
Deck 5, Promenade.
Okay, that was so much fun. I love Cucina del Capitano. Love it. It is so good. And I am stuffed. I'm stuffed. I don't even think I can have lunch.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Hey, don't you think I can see that you've been looking at me, that you've been staring at my face? Hey baby, I don't wanna stay in this club no longer. You can move out of my place. There's no need to be shy, cause you're for the right guy. I will take you up high the whole night. Hey baby, don't be afraid, you just follow my way. Tonight we will fight together. We will rock it tonight. Just jump on this vibe. We will rock it tonight. Just jump on this vibe. Together. We will rock it tonight.
I ended up picking up a little hat and a shirt, but they didn't have a sunrise hat that I liked. There's only one, but I mean, it is like, that's what I collect from the different ships, is to have them there, you know. It's just like my collection thing. I like hats and magnets, and I like to get them myself and then I pick them out myself and stuff. So anyway, but the ones they have, I'm not like super, they have one. But I'm on here for another cruise. I doubt it's going to change, but I'm going to wait until the second one, the second leg, and see see what it is. So anyway, we'll check. Alright, took a nice little nap, and it's only like 3 o'clock, so I think it's time for a little snack and some ice cream. I really didn't have lunch because I went to that cooking demonstration. Yeah, I think it's time. So the captain's like, woo! He's like, let's go. And the water was rocking in the pool. Check that out. Oh my gosh. It was like, the guy, the lifeguard that was there, he goes, it's a wave pool now. Anyway, we are going to go down to, my friends and I, we're going to meet down at the theater and watch the show I Love the 80s Pop or something like that. I can't remember what it says. I'll put it right here. We're going to go do that and then probably call it a night because I have to get myself together so I can be ready for tomorrow. So we don't have to get up too early. The time is 10:30. We have to meet down at the dock. So anyway, I am so full, so stuffed. So the food was so good. I had the pork tarts, fried oysters. I had 2 grilled garlic shrimp plates, but they weren't that big. And I added just for a baked potato, so that all that went well. And then I got the creme brulee, so all that was really good. And then we rushed upstairs to see if we can catch a little bit of the sunset. Pictures were breathtaking. Oh, just perfect. I mean, perfect timing. Wish we had got there maybe 2 minutes before, but it happens just like that. Anyway, going down to the theater.
You know I'm all about that bass, no travel today. It's a new life. Feeling good.
That was a great day. It was a little relaxing, a little entertainment, lots of food. It was such a good day. The entertainment tonight was fantastic. They couldn't do the full production show because we are moving pretty good. And we were outside and there was like a storm coming. So they did a concert style, that's what they call it. But they still did a tremendous job. Considering, what they had to, limit themselves to. But did a good job. So it was called Vintage Pop. And that was really, the singers were excellent. So I think over the time, Carnival's really stepped it up to have some really great shows that they've been putting on. Oh, the last few cruises have just been amazing. So anyway, all right, I think I am done for the night. It is about, what time is it? It's about 8:30. I know that sounds early, but I'm like a little all over the place still. And so I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night. Wash this face. Wash this face. And then I got my bag packed and stuff ready for tomorrow. So I'll do a little bit of that, watch a little, I have some downloads. I just like to hang sometimes and watch stuff on the iPad, TV shows, movies, whatever. And I'll download them before I leave so I have them. So I'm gonna watch a little bit of TV. That I have and then I think I'm gonna crash out. So I hope you all had a great day and don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care. Have a great day.